Welcome to Beyond Experience, where we unlock the potential of the psychedelic experience. In our 4-day workshop, you will learn how to transform these experiences into real-life change. Feel into your... Our goal is integration, helping you remember and express these encounters, transforming them into behaviors and habits to create meaningful change in your everyday life.
Painkillers, but also alcohol.
Why integration? We believe this is crucial for personal and societal development. By embracing changing states of consciousness, we can harness their potential. Connect with like-minded individuals and explore diverse methods to change your mind, empowering you to navigate these experiences effectively. We invite people from all walks of life to participate in our workshop. Practical techniques include writing, meditation, body work, and much more. Dive into theoretical and practical knowledge on psychedelics, set and setting, trip sitting, and integration.
I was very impressed by how the activities were facilitated and that it clearly led to everyone in the workshop feeling safe enough to share their experiences openly.
And here is the best part. At Beyond Experience, we focus solely on integration, from states to traits. That's why there are no mind-altering substances involved. But for sure, you will experience altered states of consciousness.
To me, the Beyond Experience workshop was an amazing experience that gave me some valuable insights and connected me to like-minded, wonderful people.
After 40 years of psychotherapeutic practice, this workshop made a great impression on me.
Join us as we support you going beyond the experience.